Welcome to the video everyone, and today's you are seeing there's so many new things, and I am very sorry for the very long gap, because as you can see I have this new OS and with the new device, as previously I lost my device due to the hardware issue. So let's get started with our request, and also our application will be last been developing. So let's see what we have. Okay, so last time we were developing an Flutter application that's called Pokémon Quiz. In that I have told you about the lots of things like what is Widget Tree, the very basic homepage and some illustrations, and I also added a new thing. If you can see, still I haven't hang off the new OS. It's looked like sometime it doesn't hit me. Okay, so as you can see, this is our app icon. I will be showing how to change your app icon very easily in a very easy step. So let's get started. And I have seen the previous request that someone made a request that they want me to use Android Studio for just once or whenever possible. So in this video, I will be using Android Studio and open your application. So first of all, I will open my location, or I say just close it off. Now this give as because this is a Linux, so I have some other ways to open. You just guys open the studio. I have lots of things going on. I am still trying to hang out what happening with where happening. So it sometimes asks me, do you want to launch this application? Yes, open the application for me, and let's wait, because Android Studio is quite heavy application. That's why I always use Visual Studio. But it's coming. Sometimes it acts weird. So I will just open the application first. See, if you guys haven't opened any time and Android Studio, that means you have just the sim like this. Just I have opened once and created a basic app. So first of all, go in plugin section. Okay, maybe it will lag for you because it's still lagging for me right now. Install the Flutter plugin, because by default Android Studio is built for creating application with the Kotlin and Java. But if you have the Flutter plugin, then you can also make application for the Flutter. Means using the Flutter. So let's install it. It may ask you to restart, but it's okay. You can use your Android Studio for the Flutter development, but it's quite good. I just restart it, and I have something to tell that since I have changed my laptop, this one is quite stronger. That means I can use virtual emulator. I have created. Yeah, since if you guys have some strong system, that means whenever you install Android Studio, you will get a basic default emulator. So I have also done. Now we'll open the project. I will open. So it's now asking me where your project. I will say yes, I know my project. Let me open it. So I go where I have stored my application. Inside of this, this is my Devank folder. Inside of this, there is one more Devank folder. For you guys, if you guys have put it easy, then you can find a place. Otherwise, I have nowhere my. So I think P for Pokemon. Go down, and okay, it's not showing anymore. Where this app quiz, why not showing? Okay, sorry, inside the Flutter. Even I forgot where my app it is. Pokemon Quiz, this one. Click on open. Yes, I trust, because it's my app that I'm creating. No issues with that. Now we'll open all the things. See, I will have the logo of phone here. It is loading. I just maximized my screen. Okay, now it's good. Downloading JS browser, but why? Downloading JS browser, Kotlin language settings, so configuring Kotlin language setting. Okay, it will do the whole thing for me. So I just hide it. Why it's lagging today? Maybe still it's too much for me. Let it load. Sometime it loads. So wait for some time. Okay, ready. So first of all, see, all I have the red things going on because right now I don't have Linux folder. But as of you guys know that in the first video I said I will be creating only for the Android and Windows. Right now I am in Linux. So I need to have a Linux directory that will be creating soon, as well as we don't have any libraries because I have just copied without any extra things. So let's get started. So I will open our terminal here. So click on the menu. Let's open some terminal. Yes, this one. Okay, right place. Yes, right place. So I will run Flutter get. If you guys can't see the font, then I hope you can see. Okay, it's now ready. Okay. Oh, no, I'm not touching this anyway. Okay, good. And yes, is does not have. See, since we have removed in the starting the most of the folders, so I will again. There's a common and nice step that I want to show you what to do. Just write Flutter create and dot means you want to create all the folders, all the files that a basic application has, but right now we have already existing files. So what will happen, the new file that we don't have, they will be present, they will get present in here, while meanwhile all the file remains same. So run this file, it will just put all the file in here. See, all the file ready. I'm now we can remove extra files. So coming back to again, okay, it's lagging today. It is lagging. That's why I don't use Android Studio. Really, that's the reason. That's the main whole reason. Oh, I hope I haven't activated the what do you say? What happened? Why it got lagged? Come on, wake up, wake up. Out of the existing widgets. That means, and here we go. We have our working AVD. It's called Android virtual device. That means I have a Android mobile inside, or I would say Android smartphone inside the laptop itself. So it's called AVD. Right now I am using AVD, and with Android Studio this is a full power and resource taking step. So let's get started. So last time, let me show you the new trick that I have got. I now can open two desktop at once. It's a old thing, but still I got a hang of it right now. Okay, so we have to, okay, so first of all we will create this whole container like 4 times and repeating all stuff, putting in a container. That's the most important, because right now we need to understand that if the elements are going in vertical order, so why there is so much space and the button getting always at the end. That's a quick trick and we're going to do this. So let's get started. So if you guys remember that inside of container, I have this option for us. So if I'm not wrong, there will be some option. Yep, there it is. This one option. Okay. So when we have a lot of things going on, what we can do, we just can create widgets. Say that this I want to repeat at least 4 times. Then this option will repeat about 4 times. So click on here, click on the action button and extract a widget. Can I have extraction? No. Come up. I will press sort contraction. I want something to be done. Okay, it's not showing me. Why not? It can do the thing, but why not? Why not today? Can I have refactor? Yes. Yes, so it's work as a refactor. In my VS Code, it works as a context action. So I will create extract a Flutter widget. That's all I want. Click on this. It will ask you a new name. So I will say user, or I say selection option. Very weird name, but let's go with it. if I click refactor, see right now what we have, I have this thing going on in here like this. Okay, and if you guys can see this, we have the new widgets like plate selection option, this whole thing on here. If I click on this, right now it won't work. I knew that because right now it's stateless now, so I need to make it stateful. But just let works make the UI work, and we can take up the logic in upcoming videos. So okay, so for now let me just copy this whole thing, and I want inside a column. Why putting column? Because I'm repeating some column things. So let me just start at this. And put inside of this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and put the comma. This is what is needed. And we'll go then do the update, perform how to load, and this in one go. And I want some separations. Can I have some separation? Spacing, yes. What kind of value to do? Over on it. Tell me this. What do you want to do? A column. Increase in double. So I need to pass some value. Let's go with pass with 8 value. 0.0. Not as much expected I have. Let me check. Can I have something else? Containing class column, we have spacing, separation, text line, spacing, double 0. I have passed still, but nothing happened. Why it didn't happen? So if I'm guessing it's not work for like this, so what I can do, I just go with there's a one more and I like it very much. So I just cut it off in from here. And I create this thing. I create list view. So like list view, let's create a list view, and I will create separated. Then I need item builder, and I will pass item builder is need item builder. I will explain what happens, so just may get me an idea what happening. Okay, so I will say context and options. Sorry, index. Let's call index in here. Okay, and index. Okay, I will go with item count of 4. I want 4. We will do that automatically, but right now I will do the 4. And separation builder we need. So I will be passing separation builder. What does it need? And let's just create the first thing and give showing us error. So I will say return, and for now just this, but only one I want right now. I need only one. Yeah, it works just fine right now. It's showing some error. Let me fix for you. So it's called list view. That means it can repeat so many times, and while we prepare some items, so I need to also tell how to separate. I want some spacing in between them, so I will just say that what it does need. Okay, so it also needs something like this, so I will go this one. Same, no question asked in here, and I will go SizedBox. SizedBox for the vertical spacing I want. I will pass something like height of 4 inside of them, and this works for us. Okay, got it. See, if we are creating, because these are some natural behavior the auto limit have, column will try to cover all the spacing, give the spacing to the children that they want, and it cannot go outside of the screen as it's a column. That means it will be under the screen, while list view is supposed to take all the space and possibly all the future space. So either we can, what we can do, I have some error I can show you. See, so what is showing that it's a box layout error. So I need to correct this up, otherwise we get laggy a lot. So just click on here and expand it. I click on this, wrap a widget with expanded. It just tells that list view can have, or this certain spacing children inside the column can have all the spacing it want. So boom. It got boom, but it never has said nothing. Laggy. So I have syncing the file. Sometime it may need that is showing green icon means your device and IVD is not right now. It's actually in one row. So we need to show that now. If I have some errors, staying, but why? Rendering paint error. So I need to not? I did pressed. Let me see. Well, I did the expanded thing. Why it's now stopping now? Okay, see, nice. And we also got the button in the right place. See, the one thing and everything done. And now you can see that there are lots of spacing not going on, not looking good. So let's make it better. I hope you guys idea what I want to do. So first I create the list view to get the space, and with the automatically created builder. If I am not right, can I press this? And I want to some. Is there some option? Because in I need to manually. Okay, no issues. I can do the manually things out. What I want to do that I want some formatting and it not showing like that. So let's go with manual things. We can do the manual. It's not a big issue. Okay, now it's lookish, okayish. Okay, for now we need some buttons that are not that much too close together. So just go in here and I say that main alignment I want, and inside of them, let's say there's a space between value. Yes, there it is. And if I save it now, then this happens, and it's a nice thing. Okay, and since the padding was fine, now we need to do some stylings. So I can do this. All I want some styling, and I have some width. So do we have some width? Width, expand. I don't know if we have some width. Let me check. I think more like what to say that. Yes, let me see, where do we have something like this? Maximum size, minimum size, side shape, and it's the target size, animation, alignment, separator, background commenter, and the thing I want is nothing like this. So I can say main access alignment, minimum size. I will say cover the whole space. So I will say cover the space. That there's a trick to that. It's called double. So does it take some weird values? Size, let's take size dot from width, and I can say width of, let's get a width of 100. What it's do? With the button on. I am not able to see my button. Okay, can I move it down and let me check what happened? It says boss kind of forced an infinite height, but where? Okay, so have I done wrong once again? And trying out new things always says that you are doing nothing good. Okay, previous to what I am trying to do, the next I haven't. Yes, I am touching the next size from width 50, minimum size, maximum size. Let's go for 20 if possible. I wanted some change, some background. I thought that's all I wanted. Can I not do this? Okay. So for now, just increase the spacing surrounding because we have lots of space. So let's increase some space. Make it of 10, or I say let's go for 40. This is more like it. No, we don't want that much spacing. Okay, now it's okay-ish. It looks fine. And go on top. We want some above spacing. Yes, there's a one more thing. We can cover this in a widget called safe area. If I'm not wrong, there must be some safe area. Not, then we'll say wrap inside a widget area. Safe area, not safer area, safe area. And we'll sync this. Now it will get this right. I want that thing. And we have padding is right. And let's see some top spacing, SizedBox. See what we expected from our explain in the starting. We taken some widget tree explanation and try to guess what to look like. Now we are just making beautify. So try as much as possible you can get close to the UI. If I am right now, see this. Okay, see this. So I'm trying to get as much as possible that we have some top spacing, some between spacing, and it's a one thing. Okay, what I'm trying to achieve this. Okay, let's get again. Okay, that spacing I want, I will give some around 10 of space. And now I'm have a feeling that we need some lots of size box, so get with it and select one where the other thing it is, and select one where to select one, this one. I want some downside spacing, here spacing, or go with 20. What is shortcut key for the outer load? Control plus slash. I need to click them again. Huh? Okay, now it's okay. So sometimes border getting not what to say. Sometimes it's not even visible. I guess it's an issue from the AVD. I think that's why I don't take the step of using AVD in a laptop. It's a quite a heavy task and risky task. If you are assuming that your laptop is quite good, then go for it. Otherwise, don't go. I will not say that you're supposed to go there. Okay, nice. So that's how we can go near to this. And looking back to here, we may increase some spacing and sizing, but that's all. And so guys, come back again. And I can also put some divider on here. So is there some divider way? Coming down here, I also put some divider. That's the divider I want. I think if I'm not wrong, it will need some height of 1 and width. Okay, one step done. Nice. So I can move this line down. Or I just put new line and move. Okay, nice. I just want to change the shape of, I like more of a shape, and let's try shape. Rectangle bevel continuous round the model, and nice, that's one. See, this we got. Now what we can pass in here, I just pass some nice values. So can I? So radius, border radius, and dot circular of, I will say 8.0. Nice. And I will copy this all from the style here that I want to in also in the top one, where this one, and here just I don't want the color for now. I don't want color, different color is fine. And it's okay, button works fine, UI getting nice. And one more thing I can do, I can just come in here, I can say stack I want. Stack is quite friendly and I like it a lot. I will go in here and I hope so it works for me. Or I can just go with the container, control this and wrap in a container called container. Okay, and let's go for decoration and box decoration. We want box decoration, and since we want some gradient inside of it, so let's go for the gradient. Gradient. Okay, so I will say linear gradient. Linear gradient from what you want. So I want linear gradient. Linear gradient. Okay, and first we need to pass some colors. Okay, so I come in here, I click on this, and sorry for that, click on this. Sometimes this doesn't listen to me, so I tell him that I want this, and go in there and click on the background color. Okay, click on one thing, the background color. Why it doesn't work? Okay, I want to check what the value we have. So we have some grayish and whitish value, so go with it. In here, oh, this I don't know why this sometimes appears to me. Going back, I come in here, I will this down, come now down and pass some colors. So I will say colors. I noticed that colors start from the colors dot purple we are getting top and of 100. Okay, and it's also in that not like this, so I will say this works fine. No, not work fine. Nice. Now go down and the colors dot black to gray, let's call it gray, and pass of 100. And the same go for it. Why I'm putting this ml, this means the color will never be null, but sometime it may ask you that I want some this. And do we need some pass some begin and b to pass? So let's also pass this begins from the top. So alignment dot align dot, sorry, no, I want to begin what is what it wants some align geometry. I will pass some align geometry dot, let's go for the top. So we have top and top center and end on. No, it's good, it will get the idea, but still be defined something. Line dot geometry dot and bottom center. Very specific, not very specific, and I hope so. Just okay, it got quite better than before, and this is quite good, and I am very happy from this result. And it's quite good, but what we not expected is here. Do I need some needs of spacings? I do think that we need to some spacings where we can get spacing. First of all, we need to put the text in there, like left side. Text must be the left side. Okay, come on here where the text is in column, inside column. I come in here. I say that main is alignment and main is alignment dot start. Nope. So this must be sometimes it's confusing to what you want to achieve. I wanted to be there, the text get in this left side of most left side. So then let's go with the cross alignment, and cross alignment dot start this one. Okay, it is what we wanted. So everything looks fine, leaving that the text is to be centered that point, and this one is okay. Okay. Yep. And can I have this text center? If this text center, that I am very happy with it. Can I? Let's try our luck. If I wrap in center widget, that it means it will make sense center. Can this do this? Okay, nice. And I want some big space and after this SizedBox. After the SizedBox, let's go for the 20. Even though I'm lots of spacing, it's look like I am throwing some pins. Nice, 30. Okay. And once again go back and looking on we don't need any more colors. Let's see this one have some gray background and some blur radius and also some text. Coming down there here. I don't think we have anything like this. So I do thought that we got some. I have feeling. So let's some spacings, bring some text stylings, put some styles. And text style. First of all, we just into the font size. There's a font with the 18. Nice. Font of 18, little bit font weight, just near the font weight. Font weight dot. I want font width of 600. Okay, that's all. I want this much of UI for now, and we will see in the next video that what happens if we need some logics, like if we click on this, it must work and this must work. So see you in the next video, guys.